Scanning across the board, we have the preheat oven, which then takes 12 sheets. We'll then transfer it over into a loading station into the pin bars, either through that up through a load table system, which is then talked about. The sheet will rise. We'll then move into the oven areas, where the oven halves will traverse over the thing with sheet sag and infrared pyrometers. After everything is moved, the computer or the controller will take it into the form station. The form station, as you can see, has got the thing labeled shuttle, is a device that will allow it to do twin sheet. This piece can be removed, which will pick up your stroke, and we measured from the main structure to the top about 34 inches for forming a part. The blue pieces, as you see here, are not necessarily, they traverse along the bar here, as you can see, and then stop. So if you want to not do twin sheet and just use this as two separate pressure formers, as you can see, it's very capable of 220 tons of pressure with 6 locking bayonets. The auto tool loading system, again, if need be, is there for you, and you can see the drive motors are such, massive, with approximately, I'd say, 6 to 8 inch gear racks. We measured these strokes at about 34 inches, the gear racks. You can see the structure of this thing is tremendous. In comparison to my camera, we're talking about at least 10-12 inches. Another indication of the ovens and again the carousels that hold. 2 parallel transfer lines in the form stations will allow it to form either a twin sheet part or a 2 separate single sheets, top or bottom. You can see the locking bayonets with a maximum of about 220 tons of clamping force. Bottom half of the ovens are wired 4 elements per zone. You can see that the lift mechanism is adjustable, and this is adjustable via the controller. The oven basically consists of ceramic tubes. 4 elements per zone makes up the zone. Adjustable oven will then index via tracking system into the preheat and form area. Three Bush vacuum pumps. 2 are actually are necessary, and 1 is a definite backup. The machine has been idle since 2004. Hydraulic power pack system.
I mean, how in the world can we go and try
secondary sheet lift table can be used in conjunction without the oven. You can see that it will adjust to the sheet. Conveyor will take it up into the clamp frames to where it's a pin bar. It'll then travel into the oven area, to which the oven will index. Quartz panel ovens, IR, will index to the left. So those cylinders will then pull away. Opens the frame to drop the part.
From here,
right,
to that point, past that cylinder, about 2 or 3 inches past that last cylinder.
Okay.
When the ovens are in, the sheet indexes into the oven, the IR section of the oven.
Right.
The clamp section comes up and holds the sheet. These are all water cooled. They have chilled water running through these. It keeps the ends of the sheet from sagging out of the rails. That's pretty much as simple as it is. And then it would cycle down and the water was off it. Those didn't come with it. Those
No, the part would then be already heated.
right. It's already heated. It's kept chilled, and when it indexes in,
the gating area can be removed and slide out, so a high low can go forward into the system. You can also put a conveyor to remove the part as well. So you can have a down conveyor, a part removal system here as well.
Explain. These are all spare parts.
One side pressure.
All of these are
One side pressure.